Hey guys, this is Richard from Homework Hookup doing another video on a math tutorial. This particular one's from college algebra. I saw this on Facebook and just decided to post it. Okay, so here we go. So we have x plus 5 over 14 equals 3 over 7 plus x minus 8 over 8. So we noticed a couple things in this problem, particularly the first thing being that we see x in two different places. So we know at one point we're going to want to put the x's together. Second thing is that there's fractions all throughout this problem, right? So we have x plus 5 over 14, 3 over 7, and x minus 8 over 8. So we don't like the fractions, so we definitely want to get rid of them. And how we do that is we're going to multiply both sides of the equal sign, here and here, by a number that 14, 7, and 8 have in common. So just as a quick hint, it's the number 56. So 14 times 4 is going to be 56, 7 times 8 is 56, and of course 8 times 7 is 56. So we're going to multiply both sides of the equation by 56. So let's get this going. We have 56 over here, 56 over here. I know I'm kind of writing it in exponent notation, but that's supposed to be multiplied by. So anyway, let's actually switch colors. So I'm going to switch to red. There we go. Okay, so if we work out 56 and 14, this is going to reduce down to a 1, and this is going to reduce down to a 4. If we work on 7, that reduces down to 1, this becomes 8, and then this becomes 1, this becomes 7. So now what we have on this side is 4 times x plus 5 is equal to, well, 3 times 8, right, because the 7 reduced. I'm just going to do that straight up. So 3 times 8 is 24. That's a big 24. Plus we have 7 times x minus 8. X minus 8. Okay, cool. Alright, so we're going to continue. I'm just going to start distributing on this side. Distribute the 4. So what we get on this side is we get a 4x plus 20 equals 24 stays the same. Then we're going to distribute the 7x, right? So 7 times x is just 7x, and then 7 times minus 8 or negative 8 is going to be a negative 56. Very good. Alright, so what we're going to do is now start to collect like terms. So we see this 24 here, and we see this negative 56, so we can definitely add those together. We're just going to bring out the 4x plus 20 for now. Yeah, that's legible for the most part. So 24 minus 56 is going to give us a negative 32. So I'm just going to bring in the 7x, and these two make up negative 32. Okay, cool. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the 20 over here. So I'm going to subtract 20 on both sides. So if we do that, what we're going to get is we're going to get 4x is equal to 7x minus at 52. And then what I'll do is get us some more room here. Let's get some more room. Go away, taskbar. There we go. Awesome. Okay, so back to this. Okay. So go away. Alright, good. So now what we're left with is we have to bring all the x's to one side. So I'm going to subtract the 7x on both sides like this. So it cancels here. 4x minus 7x can give us a negative 3x. Negative 3x, yeah, good. Equals negative 52. So finally, all we have to do is just divide both sides by negative 3. So we get an x over here. And of course, a negative divided by a negative is a positive. So we're just going to get 52 over 3. And of course, you can reduce this down, or not reduce this down, but you can turn this into a mixed fraction if you wanted to. But that's essentially how you would do a problem like this. Alright, just wanted to help out and show anybody that might have been, having issues with a problem like this, how to do it. So if you like this video, please give it a like. If you like my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And if you need tutoring, I do have my own tutoring company called Homework Hookup. Feel free to check out the website. It's in the link description. And yeah, Thank you so much, and I will bring some more videos to you guys. Thank you. All right, have a good day.